I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those. Recently, an embarrassing video of me has come out on YouTube, and I believe I need to address the issue.
Happy birthday, Bill. Let's keep going. Yeah. Oh, look at these two. All right. Either they're living in a fair or they're just very shy. I'm not quite sure what to do.
So I'm going to read an official statement from the team at abletochange1.com. Let me just start off by saying that my nephew's dog, Freya, and myself are just friends. She is a very good dog. Yes, you are, Freya. You're a very good dog. But she only loves two people, and that is my nephew and his wife and her puppy brother, Zuko. As embarrassing as this has been, I want to give my heartfelt apology to Juno. Some people may say that Juno's reaction was a little excessive, but I can personally understand her rage at me. In our discussions, she has pointed out that I made a bonus video back in June to celebrate our 8th anniversary, but I never released it. And one of the things that I can do now to reduce tension is to release that video before police or lawyers need to be involved. Again. Today's puzzle is a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle from Pomegranate entitled Jungle Cats by the artist B. Kliban. So let's do this. Some people refer to the invisible cat distribution network as the way they get cats in their lives. But I can honestly say Juno and I were destined to be together. I've told in a previous video how the stray cat who came into my life was named Juno. You can click on the link here or in the video description. It wasn't until a couple of days after she arrived I realized she had an interesting pattern in her fur. You can clearly see the letters P and J, and since my name is Peter and her name is Juno, she had to become my cat. But what I did realize is this: after 8 years of being together with Juno, as much as she is monogrammed Peter's Juno, I've realized that I need her as much, or if not more, than she needs me, and that I am just as much Juno's Peter. And so last summer, I made it official. So from PJ the monogrammed cat and JP the monogrammed human, I hope everyone is having a wonderful summer, and whatever you do, don't get caught on the Jumbotron. So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those